Having trouble solving expressions? In this video, we are going to look at the order of operations and how to use it correctly to help you solve various expressions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and want to take a moment to talk about solving expressions. This video is going to operate on the assumption that you already understand the order of operations, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, adding, and subtracting. Keep in mind, multiplication and division have equal priority, and addition and subtraction are equal in priority. Let's get started. When solving expressions, I would always suggest that you just write your order of operations down somewhere. That way you are able to check them off as you go. With the first step being parentheses, I am going to start with the parentheses that I have here. Now, because there's an exponent in the parentheses, I do need to solve 2 to the 4th power. You take your exponent, and we are going to write the base of the exponent that many times. So because the exponent is 4, I need to write the base, which is 2, 4 times, and I'm multiplying. 2 times 2 is 4. And when I do 4 times 4, I know that equals 16. So this now becomes 6.8 plus 16. Another thing that I think is important is to always rewrite your problems over as you complete each step. 6.8 plus 16 is the next thing that we need to solve. Because I'm adding and there's a decimal here, I need to make sure to go ahead and add a decimal and 0, which does not change the value, before I go ahead and start. So 16.0 plus 6.8, I'm lining this up. That gives me an answer of 22.8. Now my parentheses here becomes 22.8. That was in the parentheses, 3.1, and 3 to the 2nd power. Now, exponents. We're going to take care of the exponents. There is an exponent here. So I want to go ahead and solve 3 to the 2nd power. I'm going to rewrite my problem again. 9 plus 27.2 minus 22.8 minus 3.1. There is no multiplication sign, so I can move past that. There is no division sign. I can move past that. The next is addition, and because I see there is an addition sign, I am going to do the work. Let's rewrite the problem. Now the last thing to do is subtract. When you subtract, also, remember we are going in order from left to right. So I cannot start by subtracting 22.8 minus 3.1. You always go from left to right, so that gives me 36.2 minus 22.8. I'm going to change and rewrite this to 13.4 minus 3.1, which leaves me with 1 subtraction sign. And I'm going to go ahead and do the math. When doing math, I do encourage you to always keep paper and pencil handy because it is very important to make sure that you are working out all of your problems so that you are able to find and get to the correct answer. We're going to do some more work with expressions, so stay tuned. Until next time.